Has trust gone missing in your relationship? And then you begin to wonder if your marriage is ever going to work out. So here are 3 simple strategies which are going to tell you how to develop that trust. Number 1 is consistency. When you make those commitments, when you make those promises, ensure you live up to them. That is how trust begins to develop. Second point is engage in non-stressful conversations. This means when you're talking, ensure that your talks do not involve any kind of complaint or any kind of criticism. Any conversation that does not have complaint or criticism is going to be a happy conversation. And third is forgive and move on. There are going to be many occasions when you make mistakes, when your partner is going to make mistakes. Don't hold those mistakes to your heart, just let them go. Remember that trust is last to come and first to go, so you got to be very careful on that. Is there any other way you have been able to develop trust in your relationship? If yes, I would love to read that in the comment box. Thank you, take care, bye-bye.